All right, y'all. So this is the same day. My bad, mama. That was hard. All right, y'all. This is the same day from the last vlog. I'm currently finna go to GameStop right now and get my game checked out because it hasn't been working for a minute. The PS4. Rest in peace. All right? Yeah. So we finna go right now. I got the game in the back. Finna go see what they talking about at GameStop because I miss playing my PS4. That was like I had that for so long. It was on my finger.
You had a fuzzy on your pinky.
I had that game for so long. Shout out to grandma, she had got it for me. So it's been a minute, but definitely want to. But I definitely want to figure out what's wrong with it so I can play it again. Okay.
Oh, I forgot it is school.
Yeah, kids coming up to school bus. But yeah, I'll see y'all at GameStop.
In here?
Yeah.
No.
Like once or twice.
No.
I know I have.
I haven't.
End of the month. Yeah, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga Collection, or Shredder's Revenge. So those are coming out the end of this month and next month. How we doing?
I'm trying to see why my PS4
Okay. We do trade-ins. I can see if the system will tell me, but we don't do repairs. Just so you know. Okay.
So the trade-in required a down like payment.
So no, so like if you're just trying to figure out what's wrong with it, you might have to take it somewhere else.
Right.
I have a system that might be able to tell.
Right. Alright, y'all, so pretty much what he told me is the PS4 is done. I can no longer use it, so when her brother gives me the PS4, I'm just gonna try to use his and go from there. So this one, I can't even sell it.
Just gotta go in the trash.
Nah, I'll just keep it for now. But I'll eventually just go ahead and throw it away or get rid of it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, y'all, we in this girl's favorite store.
House.
Here she go. She gonna drive me out here.
I like it.
Y'all don't even, do y'all see fall stuff? Cause I see Halloween stuff. I see Halloween stuff. I don't see fall stuff.
Well, it's both, actually.
There's one little fire. Yeah, I feel like this is a waste of money, but it's okay. Let her do what she do. Every time I come in a Dollar Tree, the first thing I go to is the toys. So let's go to the toys. I'm gonna start giving y'all basketball videos. Like, not like full on basketball, but like just videos of me like every now and then playing basketball. Just doing some drills, practicing. So I'm gonna ask babe if she can buy this ball for me. Let's see what she say. Come on. This girl really don't went and got a card. You, what? So that's what you doing?
What do you mean?
You got a cart? She finna spend all her money on the stuff in Dollar Tree. She's still going.
I love the holidays.
Lord. Me and Larry Gang was trying to ask you a question.
What?
We was trying to see if you could possibly buy this basketball for us. Yeah? Oh, straight like that? Okay. Well, there y'all go. We got it.
What do you think of this one? For the front door.
Hello, Autumn.
Yeah?
I mean, if you want to, yeah.
I don't really have a yard, so.
Yeah, this girl, she going overboard. At this point. Yeah, she got it, y'all. She got it. Yeah, I really don't need this, but you can't come to Dollar Tree and not get candy. Like, it's just like you have to. I stick with my gummy worms. But should I get gummy worms? Should I get something else? I think I'm gonna stick with these. Yeah. What is this? Nah, yeah, we're gonna stick with my gummies. Oh, dang, jackpot. Jackpot. Put these shits down. Hold on, hold on. Y'all comment down below which ones y'all would get. No cap. Comment down below. Let me know what your taste is. But I ain't gonna lie. Cause I be like, having different tastes for different things. Today I'm feeling for what am I feeling for? Bae had told me these shits are nasty. And I thought she was lying, but nah, this shit's gross. Let me see, what am I feeling for? Should I just get these? Something quick. I might just get these. And yes, I know it's a little bit, but dang, you gonna cut me off? Which ones would you get?
Huh?
I think I want these, but which ones would you get?
Which one, out of which options?
Out of all of this, what would you get? I asked them to comment down below what they would get.
I go for my standard sour Mike and Ice. But if I could do gummies,
yeah,
I do.
Ooh, I'm getting these, y'all. The frogs.
Warheads.
You do the warheads?
Yeah.
Oh no. I mean, I
Look,
guess.
it's got Coca-Cola Sour Patch.
Really? Oh nah.
That's gonna taste nasty.
That is gonna taste nasty. I wouldn't even do it to myself, even though I work for them. Strawberry. This one, green, red, yellow, red mix. You see that?
Yeah.
It's goofy.
Are you ready?
All right, I got my choice, y'all. Let's go. That's crazy.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think about the front door?
You gonna put that by the front door?
Yeah.
What, on the side?
Yeah.
Go get it then. Or you want me to get it?
Can you get it?
Oh my gosh. This is what she want, y'all. Like, all this stuff is gonna be in the closet next month. Whatever, though. Could never be me. Not at no Dollar Tree. It's still going. That shit crazy. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. She finna let y'all know. I'll show y'all what she done did so far.
Okay, so this is gonna be my work from home office. So over here, I got the little wrap that's leaves, and then I threw some leaves on the side. I got a pumpkin smell, but y'all can't smell that. And then fall for right now. Then I'll switch it to Halloween. It's the little. I might put that in the bathroom, but follow me. I'm very proud of this. I even added this. There ain't no tablecloth or nothing. It's like wrapped, so I added it. And then follow me my kitchen. My kitchen. Got that. Oh, the doors. And I love my sink area. Those were the original old pictures we had, and then I just threw some little cloth, these things, on top. But yeah. Pumpkin stuff. Oh, I got this. I want to get another one, but there was only one when I went, so I have to hold off for that. But yeah, and then for my little coffee area, I got a cute little pumpkin decoration. My scents and stuff, my candles. I love candles in case everybody was wondering. Yeah. Yeah.
Yup. That's if into the bathroom and the bedroom.
Yep.
Want some outside?
Oh yeah.
I won't get the room though.
I'll let you get your slides. This is the door. Got a cute little door thing. I saw this last minute at Dollar Tree, and I was like, okay, that's super cute. And then I have lanterns to put on the side that light up. That's just on the my office space, but I need to wait for how to figure out how to make it stick.
All right. Alright, y'all, so me and Bear are currently at the car wash, about to get ready to clean my car and her car. She's over there though. She's heading out. But yeah, we finna go ahead, we finna clean these cars because my car dirty, her car is dirty. So yeah. Oh shit.
He sucks following behind. Like, if I'm driving behind him, he gonna speed off on me. If I'm driving behind him, he gonna turn, knowing damn well I ain't gonna make that turn. And you gonna leave me? How you gonna let somebody follow you and you just gonna leave off on them? How are they supposed to follow you then? You suck. Somebody give him some like tips, learning tips, something on driving so that people can follow him. He's hot.
And she don't mean my looks, she means my body temperature. I'm actually super hot.
His car is hot. His AC sucks. Sorry, I'm just kind of disclosing you. You thought that was gonna bother me?
This girl over here playing. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get to it. Y'all, look at this. This girl leaves her door open. And on top of that, she leaves her car keys sitting inside the car. Now, somebody come and run up and take her car keys, it's gonna be her fault. Tripping. Y'all let her know. Comment down below. Kiki, be more careful. Alright, so overall my car is really not that bad. It's just a lot of dust. But the stuff that was inside the car was all her stuff. She got her stuff on the top of the car. I got shoes down here. I got my mats. And my car really is clean. But hers, on the other hand, I told her when she get a car, she gonna be the one messing it up because she was messing up my car. Look at this. Only thing in here that's mine is that basketball. But look at her car look. You know what I'm saying? Tweaking. So, nah, y'all can see the difference. But she is cleaning my car right now, of course. We're gonna see how her car look at the end. My car coming together, finally. Thank you, God.
Look at all them dip bugs.
Those are all different bugs.
Right here.
Damn. We ain't gonna talk about it, y'all. Everybody's car get dirty at some point. Probably not this dirty, but it get dirty. But like I said, it wasn't just me. She can vouch for me when I say that. Alright, y'all. This is how I'm trying to tell y'all, it was her. Most of the time. But it was me sometimes too. Because I just gave up at that point. Everything else looks straight though. The trunk cleaned out. Nothing in here. Trash. But that's why she's cleaning up the car if y'all was wondering why I'm not helping for real. It's because she's cleaning up her mess. No cap. Oh yeah, if any of y'all know this came off from the front of my car, comment down below if I need this or not. It kind of fell off, so I just took the whole thing off. I'm gonna have a vacuum out the trunk too, no cap. Damn, crazy. Oh shit. Y'all, the bee was crawling inside the seat. The crack of my seat, I was gonna suck the life out of that shit. He got out, I'm trying to make sure. I'm not driving home with no bee in my car, no cap. That shit got to get out. He got away right when I turned the camera on. Scary ass. My car is complete, y'all. It's Dunzo. Onto her car. Oh no, man down. Man down. Leave it to your mom to make a mess in the kitchen. That's crazy. She cooking some good food. And brother right here got the guinea pig. Is it still scared? My mom done made a mess. Now what you gotta say about your mess? What you gotta say about
Is that what you recording?
What you gotta say about that, man?
I know y'all driving two separate cars.
Yeah, cause we both just came from the car. We both needed our car to get clean.
Okay.
I messed my pencil now.
I don't know, how would you go and wash your car and...
I know, I wasn't thinking about it.
Yeah, this is Kiki. I'm trying to get y'all, I'm gonna lock the floor and stuff outside, so I was...
I thought this was a hookah song. I was about to say.
Say what?
I'm not hookah, a vape. I was about to say.
Okay, you might put this in your car, Kimari.
What?
I put that in your box and I put you some fruit in there as well.
Some fruit? What kind of fruit?
The fruit that's like in there.
So I don't need to take this? You already got me one?
Yes, I got you one in there already. So no, you don't need to take that.
You got it. No, you got, yes it is, man. This is cold.
I'm not the one I put in your box is not cold.
So I can't get one of those?
Get one of those.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you got the fruit cup in there too? Or you just like...
Some fruit cups in there. Because y'all be looking homeless.
Man, what you trying? Why you trying to come for us like that? At least we paying. At least we've been paying the bills.
Yes, you have. Here, I need you to hold it so you open it back to your car. And then you have to turn off the video. So.
Well, so you gotta say goodbye to him. Okay. Wait, close the door. Close the door.
Some muffins in there.
That boy got a package coming.
He grown. The Amazon guy is here.
You got a party.
Yeah.
We've been looking forward to them.
Go ahead, Jay.
There you go. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Get your package.
There you go, man.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Is your name on it? That's it. Woo! That's it. You got it. You can wait for this.
Is it a gaming thing?
Yes.
Of course, it's a game.
All right. Okay, you guys. Drive safe.
All right.
Drive safe. That's the key word.
Hey.
Safe.
I'm always safe.
Yeah.
All right. Let me know how the pool is.
All right. Damn. Not the wings.
The wings are on the floor. That's whatever barbecue sauce thing she has.
You said just put it over the clothes. Damn. All right, let's get it. Just so I get an idea that the stuff I was doing the other day was nothing. I didn't even do the coolest today. I just said, forget it. I put everything forward. This is one pallet. You know what I'm saying? I gotta break that down. This is another pallet. You know what I'm saying? I gotta break that down. And then, this is the last pallet I'm doing for the day. Now there's like 3 more back there just like these in the back, but I'm not doing it. I'm already getting tired. So, just giving y'all an idea. Hope I don't get copyright because the music playing in the background. But, alright, next clip. Love is everywhere, I guess, you guys. Love is everywhere. Uh-oh. Dang. I don't know how that song go. It go like, uh-oh. But, damn, they got my boy. They putting him in cuffs as we speak. Man, he look young. Damn, just took him from his car just like that. He look mad. Well, y'all, you gotta make sure you do what you're supposed to do. I ain't gonna say much because I don't want to jinx myself. Alright, YouTube. No, love it game. Alright, love it game. I just woke up. I don't know if I can tell. I'm super tired. My body's like exhausted because of work. But I was supposed to record more because I fell asleep for so long. I couldn't. So this is where the vlog is gonna end. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like that button. Hit that like button. Yeah, I'm sleepy, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to hit that like button. You know, comment down below if you want to. Share it to your friends. And I'm gonna edit this vlog right now. What you wanna say before I close it out?
I just had a good nap. It was a good one. I feel refreshed. I'm ready to watch movies for hours. Well, TV show. But yeah, so today was a good day actually.
That was good. It was a good day for her because she was off today.
I'm eating healthy.
Thank you for watching this video. Y'all have a good day. Be
Make
safe.
sure you like it and share it.
What she said. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next vlog.